You're watching How Leap. Let's archive your Instagram posts. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the person icon. Find the post you want to archive and tap on it to open it. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. From the menu that appears, select Archive. The post will immediately be removed from your public profile and moved to your private archive. To view your archived posts, go to your profile and tap the three-line menu icon in the top right. Select Archive from the menu. At the top of the archive screen, you can tap Post Archive to see all your archived posts. You can also choose to view archived stories here. To restore a post, open it from the archive, tap the three dots again and select Show on Profile. The post will return to its original spot on your profile. Archiving is reversible and does not delete the post or its likes and comments. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.